quickly create multiple folders using Excel and a batch file. If you often find yourself needing to create multiple folders, this trick will save you a lot of time by using Excel and a batch file. Here's how to do it step by step. Steps to create multiple folders quickly. 1. Prepare your list in Excel. Open Excel and enter your desired folder names in a column. In the next column, type MD, short for Make Directory, followed by a space. 2. Concatenate the folder names. In the same row, combine the MD command and folder names. For example, MD folder name. Use Excel's Control-E flash fill feature to apply this formatting to the rest of the column. 3. Copy and paste into Notepad. Highlight the column with the completed commands, copy it, and paste it into a Notepad file. 4. Save the Notepad file as a batch file. Save the file in the location where you want to create the folders. Use a .bat extension such as createfolders.bat. 5. Run the batch file. Navigate to the saved file and double-click it. Instantly, folders corresponding to your Excel list will appear in the specified location. Why this method works. Batch files execute commands line by line, making it an efficient way to create multiple directories at once. By automating the commands with Excel, you avoid manual typing errors and save valuable time. HashHard. Pro tip. You can use this method to create subfolders as well by including paths, e.g. MD parent folder facts subfolder. Implement this simple yet powerful technique to streamline folder creation and stay organized.